tonight we're going to be here at Bay Lake Tower next to the Contemporary at Walt Disney World, spending the night here with my buddy Adam. It's going to be fun. You guys are going to get to tag along. And this is where I'm sleeping tonight. Got an awesome bed here, thanks to my dear friend. Great view from this tub in here. Look at this. Peeking in to the tub. Sit there and watch the TV. Full bathroom in here. I'll show the tour of the bathroom. Another waving mirror. Got Cinderella Castle here. And all of the Disney soap. Look at this shower. Above head and regular. Where's that Disney soap? There it is. Oh, this is amazing. All right, we're gonna head up to the Top of the World Lounge and then head over to the Magic Kingdom for extra magic hours. What's really cool is from here you can see Spaceship Earth. That blue dot is Spaceship Earth. Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. Tonight I'm going to be hanging out at the Magic Kingdom and Bay Lake Tower with my buddy Adam from the Daily Woo. You guys are going to get to tag along. This is going to be a fun night. Now, let's take a closer look. And there goes that monorail. I'm about to get some food here at the Contempo Cafe. I grabbed the turkey sandwich, some chicken noodle soup, and some coleslaw. Nice little easy dinner with Adam and his mom. And then we're gonna head over to the Top of the World Lounge. And we made it to the 16th floor. Now there is an event going on that we are not doing, but we are gonna be standing up here at the Top of the World Lounge. As you can see, you can stand here. And we're gonna watch the fireworks tonight. I'm really excited about this. This is insane, the views up here. You can see Tron all lit up. This is the first time I'm seeing Tron. Oh, I just saw it test. I just saw Tron go by. See it in there? Yeah, I just saw it. That's so cool.
Let's walk over here and see if we can see Epcot.
Okay. And you got Spaceship Earth here. Tomorrowland and Main Street and Cinderella Castle. Did I say Spaceship Earth?
You did.
You totally caught me on that. Space Mountain.
I make that. Because I said let's go see Spaceship Earth, so you have to do that.
Yeah, okay, we'll go with that. I totally messed that up. That is Space Mountain. But we might be able to see Spaceship Earth on the other side here. Making our way slowly to the other side, and look at this view of the Contemporary. Wow. That is something special. That's spectacular, is what that is. Man. And that tree we filmed the other day looks teeny-tiny from way up here. Yeah, way in the distance over there is Spaceship Earth, not Space Mountain. Which would have been funny if I called that Space Mountain. walking over to Magic Kingdom now. Oh, and there's the monorail right as we come outside, man. That's great. Yep. If you've never stayed over here, something about it. Can't explain it, but it's just, it feels like this whole kingdom is in your backyard. And we're gonna head over now because from 11 to 1 a.m. there's a extra magic hours. It's 8:49. So we'll have about 2 hours left of normal day park. And then we'll see how crazy it is for the extra magic hours. Still cannot believe that I'm staying here tonight. Pretty awesome. All right, we are officially in. Officially in. Ooh, that never gets old right there.
They never get old.
They always stay new. Those 3 little words, please and thank you. Hey.
Mr. Funtime. This is the one.
Mr. Funtime. Dude, so good. And I think we're gonna head over and ride the Barnstormer. Let the crowd kind of die out until the extra magic hours really kick in. I'm hoping we can ride quite a few rides tonight. That'd be a lot of fun. Yeah, we're gonna hop on the Barnstormer featuring Goofy as the Great Goofini. We're going up. Up and away.
And away we go.
Gotta hold on to this thing. Get a nice view of. Oh gosh! Oh! Woohoo! It just goes. Oh my gosh! And that's it. That's all she wrote. Woo! It's like all the suspense is in the clickety-clack. And as soon as you clack, you go right over that hill and it's over. And now we're gonna take a ride on the People Mover. Get a bird's eye view of Tomorrowland.
Please step carefully onto the platform, then step into the car. For your safety, we will remain at all times.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
TTA Blue Line.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World.
Trot is a big lit up right now. There it goes. There it goes.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy and please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of
Can't wait for that.
Thank you.
Wow, they did a lot of this yesterday.
Oh wow, yeah, look at that walkway there. That's gonna be cool.
Please
That's
keep
gonna be
forward-facing
insane to walk
tentacles
underneath
clear of
that.
oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Take the time to see this show.
I just noticed this year they have more lights set up for the Jingle Cruise all along the front here. That's cool. Adding more theming, because in years past it's only been the sign right here. Now we're gonna go ride Pirates of the Caribbean. It's only a 15-minute wait. Looks like we're gonna basically be walking on. Still getting used to this queue right here, not having the Johnny Depp Films logo right there.
I'm remembering 2020 and 21 when they had all the plastic dividers.
That's right.
That's the way I remember.
That's right. We're gonna get the back row. Super excited.
For your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms.
backdrop. I'm gonna get in the middle so I don't get wet. Not bad.
Speak up, or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheating.
Now, you scurvy skunk! Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10!
10? I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
I want this. Wait for it.
And mark well these words.
Oh, that's awesome.
Dead men tell no tale.
Stepped into Big Thunder. And if you can name these two, comment. All right, our train is here. We got the back row. Came out of my seat. We made it. All right, we're about to board Peter Pan's flight. All right, let's see if we. Whoa! Completely stopped.
May I have your attention?
The green air.
Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time.
Oh boy! Yay! We sat there for yes.
I've heard a lot of times. You know what? And
Away we go.
Come on, everybody.
Yes.
Here we go.
Yes.
That's annoying.
Never know.
Hey Nana,
We did it though.
we did it. We're on. All right.
See, that's what we needed.
That's it. Faith, trust, and pixie dust.
Oh my God.
Look, kids, Big Ben. Look at this. Oh, they're firing cannons at us. We're about to go into the Mermaid Lagoon. Oh, there's the Lost Boys. Where's that Mermaid Lagoon? There it is. Everybody always talks about the aerial right there. Oh, there he is. TikTok. We sit there and we wait and we wait and we wait. And it's playing the emergency spiel over and over and over. Finally, some kind of maintenance guys walk in. They throw this tag on the vehicle in front of us. The people in the vehicle in front of us get off, and then this ride starts working. That was such a long wait for that ride. Check out Pinocchio. And show you guys the crowd level here. Not bad. Really not bad. It is a very short ride, but that drop is totally worth it. Oh, and you get the party.
Aren't these the old animatronics from the ride?
I think it is. It totally is. There they are. And then you get, there she is. The old hag. We did it. That was a lot of fun. Forget how much fun that ride is. Next time.
So close.
So close, man. And would you look at this view? Whew. Even got the little lights right here for the holidays. All the way up and looking directly through Cinderella Castle at Main Street in that tree. That right there is what dreams are made of. Holy cow. And here's a look down Main Street from the castle stage. Got a little chilly here tonight. And you can get a good glimpse of the projection on the castle for the 50th. It's kind of rare to be able to walk over here to the partner statue and kind of have it semi to yourself. All right, good night, Magic Kingdom. Time to head back to the room.
Commute.
The long commute, buddy. All the way back to Bay Lake. And I made it back to Bay Lake. It's time to call it an evening. We came, we saw, we took care of business here this evening. Hanging out at Bay Lake, grabbing some food, watching the fireworks, and then heading over to the most magical place on earth, Magic Kingdom. What a fun night. But it is time to say goodbye, and I will see you guys on the next adventure. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.